Good morning, folks. This is Mr. Dan coming to you from the Landscape Design Classroom, and today I'm going to talk to you about understanding plant respiration. So, respiration is necessary in all living cells. Photosynthesis is not enough. Photosynthesis occurs only in plant cells containing chlorophyll and only during daylight hours. So, respiration is the controlled expenditure of an organism's energy reserves to sustain its life purposes. Respiration occurs in all the plant's living cells 24 hours a day. So from our last lesson, we learned that photosynthesis is the process of taking in light and moisture to produce oxygen, and from carbon dioxide to produce oxygen, which comes back to us. So it's kind of like the circle of life. So today we're going to talk about respiration in that process. So sugar and energy. The generalized reaction for respiration is glucose plus water and oxygen yields carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Glucose is the main fuel for respiration, but other chemicals such as starches, fats, proteins, and organic acids can also be consumed in respiration. So comparing the two, photosynthesis is going to capture energy, use carbon dioxide, produce oxygen, produces food, and produces ATP. Respiration, on the other hand, releases energy, produces carbon dioxide, uses up oxygen, and uses food and uses ATP. So the net effect of respiration is opposite to the net effect of photosynthesis. So you have two different processes here in photosynthesis and respiration, which offset each other a bit, but at the end of the day still create oxygen for us to take in. So factors affecting respiration: temperature. A higher temperature equals more respiration. Oxygen, low oxygen equals low respiration. Soil conditions: compacted or waterlogged soils reduce respiration. Light, low light reduces respiration. Growth rate, metabolic activity of the tissues. So this is respiration is reduced as the plant matures. So why do plants respire? So cellular respiration is the mechanism by which chemical energy is converted from one form to a more usable form with a release of a certain amount of heat. Respiration is the conversion of chemical bond energy in nutrient molecules into forms directly usable by the cell, such as ATP. Respiration can be aerobic, and respiration can be anaerobic. So in the presence of oxygen, it is more aerobic. Without that atmospheric oxygen, it becomes anaerobic. So moving on, plant respiration in agriculture. Plants need lower nighttime temperatures for the best growth. So if you continue to hit it with heat over and over and over again without any cool down period, you're not going to get your maximum growth. So slowing respiration after harvesting preserves food quality. So refrigeration of fruits, vegetables, flowers, and replacing oxygen with nitrogen while in storage. So anaerobic respiration occurs without atmospheric oxygen. It's called fermentation. Glucose is converted to pyruvic acid, which is converted to acetaldehyde plus carbon dioxide. Fermentation is important for making silage. So that is the end of my presentation. I know that was a quick one. So if you have any questions, please give me a call down here in the Landscape Design Classroom, and I appreciate your time. Have a great day, folks.